Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to make a cube out of a square shape. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 different colors, and we will make 6 congruent shapes and we'll put them together without glue. So let's start with the first paper. Fold in half and open it, half of half, and turn around and half of half. So we have 4 congruent sections, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. Yep. And we will do all of the 6 together. But don't try to do this way, okay? All together and make half at once and doing it, and it's not going to really good result. So do one at a time and make half of half, quarter, and you have horizontal lines like that, and each corner will hold a triangle shape. This one, every corner, okay? And every corner you have 45, 45, 90 degrees, right triangle. This is an isosceles right triangle. 45, 45, 90 degrees, right? We have 4 congruent triangles so far. And then put the lines horizontally to you, and right bottom corner will fold one more time, like this. Okay, let me open it. And this corner angle 45 degrees will be divided into 2 pieces. Okay, so that's 22.5 degrees. That's right. So this angle can be called angle bisector here. This line will be angle bisector over this angle. All right, rotate it upside down. And right bottom corner, when you have these lines, horizontal lines in front of you, one more time, okay? Make this corner half. So this half angle creates 22.5 degrees. So this line is angle bisector. So you have this shape. It's not all symmetrical, right? These two are paired, these two are paired. Now we will close it, okay? Close it and flip it. And we will flip once again the corner. You see 4 corners here. We will flip 2 corners. And when you flip the corner of the rectangular shape, we expect 2 congruent triangles, okay? Again, 45, 45, 90 degrees. 45, 45, 90 degrees. Colors are different, but same size, right? And I expect you make this way. If you fold in corner and you do not see the congruent size, that's the wrong corner. So don't do that corner and do the corner with the congruent results, okay? And do the other corner. By doing that, you will see a shape of a parallelogram. 2 lines are parallel, right? 1 pair, 2 pairs. And opposite sides are congruent. Opposite angles are congruent. Consecutive angles are supplementary angles. Together 180 degree, right? Diagonals bisect each other. That's parallelogram. Okay, so you should have parallelogram with 1, 2, 3, 4 congruent triangles. And now you see you fold this along the square in the middle. Square in the middle. And you have finished 1/6 of the work, okay? Now we need 6 of these. So let me do it a little bit faster, okay? Second one. So fold in half. Half of half. The other way around. Half of half. take time and use your fingertip to make crisp line, okay? All four corners, you will fold a right triangle. Make sure this folded line is like this, okay? So you don't go over the line, you fold it, and you need to stay a little bit under it, okay? Otherwise, it is not folding all together neatly. And think about the thickness of the paper. So if you go more than that, that's not really good. So one right bottom corner, when you see the horizontal line in front of you, horizontal line in front of you, right bottom corner, fold one more time to see the angle divided into two congruent parts. By doing that, you will see nice combinations of the colors later, okay? So form this way and flip it. Make sure you have a congruent for right triangles all shown when you flip two corners, okay? So now we see a square out of the parallelogram. Okay, like this, and we will put all together like that by folding, and this will be called the wing, and this one will be called the pocket, okay? Wing goes into the pocket, and we will form the shape like this. Would you like to do one more with me, or do you want me to pause the video recording so we can do it faster and faster? But I will do it a little bit faster, okay? So you can pause the video and watch the first part if you didn't get it, or you can play it, do it together, okay? Whatever it works for you, you can do it. Don't forget bottom corner, okay? Right side bottom corner when the line is horizontal to you. So if we have a different part and all pieces are not going to be congruent to each other, then we cannot put all together well. So make sure you keep the rule, okay? Keeping the same rule, and you will have a nice all congruent 6 shapes. It should be all like that, okay? Same size, same shape. If one is like this, that's something wrong, okay? So see you did it correctly or not. One more. Half of half, the other way around, half of half. All corners, little bit lower than the given line because we folded it, right? That's kind of a helping line. So you need to make sure everything is under the folded line. So one right bottom corner is folded one more time, and use your fingertips, and it takes a little skill, okay? Practice more and more, you will do better and better. Absolutely right. Practice, practice, practice. Yeah, it makes perfect. It doesn't have to be perfect all the time, but try, okay? Try as many as you can, and don't give up. Yeah. All right, so you do this. 2 more. Can I keep going? Yeah. I will pause it, and then I'll finish it, and I'll continue recording it, okay? Okay, now I have finished, and I have all 6 pieces. All are congruent. Very good, right? Whatever you do, when you learn, you need to be patient. And whatever you do, take time and be patient, okay? All right, so we have all 6 of these, and we will start putting together. So like I said, 2 things goes together. Wing goes inside of the pocket. When you put it, try to make this as perpendicular to each other, okay? Perpendicular means 90 degrees. Add one more. just like this, vertically, okay, perpendicular. Before you add another one, let's make 3 things together. So go this wing, put this wing inside of the third one here, and you will see half of the cube shape, right? Yeah, so you consider this little wing, open it up, okay, and this one goes to the new spot, and this wing goes inside of the pocket, like that. So you keep adding one at a time. Add this where? Right here. So open this little wing, open the wings, and then slide this into the pocket, and this little wing goes in the pocket also. So you see any extra wing? Yeah, this is wing, okay? You want to eat it? Okay, this is not that wing, okay? So slide through the pocket here. All right, one last piece, right? Yeah, sixth one will be here on top of it, and you will use the little wings under the pocket right there, right? That's right. If it doesn't go vertically, you can slide through this opening and make it perpendicular. And this one goes right here, okay? And this flip goes to the pocket here, okay? It's not really nice shape, and you can make all the lines fit together, and then you can make a nice cube, okay? All right, this is the cube with all different colors. The reason why we fold two corners of the right triangle once again to make 22.5 degrees, we see all different colors from this origami paper. This one was double-sided paper, so you have nice combinations of the color on every side. So if we have a 6-sided, right? 6 faces of the cube. Thanks for watching. I know it's hard a little bit, but practice, practice, practice. Enjoy your cube. Mother's Day is coming soon, right? And you can open this one, and then you can put some letter or present for mom, okay? How much? $10? Okay. You can put in the box, and you can close this box, and you can give it to the person you want to gift. Okay, all right, that's the idea. This is a box. Yeah, you can say that, or you can say cube. Okay, mathematically cube, but you can say box, and you can put something in it. Thanks for watching.